civil authorities issued a shelter-in-place warning. Many reports have came in that people are getting killed because the toxic gas turned into a monster. This gas monster can shoot out the gas from earlier. Seek shelter immediately and still stay away from your reflection. Don't look at anybody. Not even yourself. Stay
Civil authorities issued an emergency action notification. The monsters are starting to close. They are turning people into them. The gas is so bad that it can turn back on. Now it's 2000. You will all be doomed. And I'm sorry to say, but there's nothing we can do about it. So gather with your family and friends and brace for the end as we play our national anthem. May God bless.
I have some happy news to tell you all. All the monsters have been killed thanks to the police and other people that decide to kill these monsters. We can now live a safe life. After all, though, there is a little bit of damage that'll take a few years.
The White House issued an emergency action termination. All the monsters are killed, but still stay in your shelter for now because there still may be a few parts of gas in the air around the world. Barely anyone lived, however. There is now only 249 million people in this world left. It will take a few years to fix all the damages. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.